everybody, my dog has never had peanut butter, so today we're going to change it, and we're going to see if she likes it or not. At first I just gave it to her off the spoon, but I don't recommend that you guys do that because it could actually teach your dog bad habits to like take your food and stuff. So yeah, I should not have done this. But anyways, after a little bit, I brought her outside so we didn't make a mess. It seemed like she was liking it, but here's a time lapse of my dog eating peanut butter. Okay, so now that I know that she likes it, I got this Kong from PetSmart so that I could put peanut butter in it and see how she likes it. I was trying to get her to take the Kong, but she just wouldn't take it, so then I set it down, and she still didn't move it. She just like tried to take it from where it was, and I don't know why. After like 10 seconds, it looks like this already. Then again, I took it outside so we didn't make a mess. Then I brought her back inside because I couldn't video her outside because she would like stand on top of it every single time, and I couldn't like actually video her. Also, just so that you know, I didn't give this all to her today because I gave her the spoonful yesterday. I didn't want her to get sick or anything, so I gave her the Kong today to spread it out a little bit so she didn't get sick. I was trying to help her out a little bit by holding it, but she just put her paw on my hand and kept eating. I don't know if she thought she was helping or something, but it was kind of funny. Usually she guards stuff like this, so I was surprised that she actually let me hold it. Overall, she definitely likes it, and I would definitely give it to her again. If you watched this whole thing, thanks, and a like would be greatly appreciated.